Hello everyone, I am super excited because I have a great project for you guys today. Welcome to Gazelle Creative Studio, my name is Uriel. Please subscribe to this channel because I will be bringing great projects, creativity and inspiration. Today, I am part of the Why Will You Make collaboration. As hosts, we have Brenda from Rustic and Lace DIY and Connie from Connie's Woodshop and DIYs. As guest hosts, we have Amy from Amy Creatively Expressive. The links to their channels and the playlist will be in the description box. For the first DIY, we will use a wooden round tray like this and an acrylic photo frame. It will go halfway around the tray here, some glass and stones to fill the planter, along with succulents, metal ribbon, a wooden ring, and faux leather. I am in my garage and the first thing I am going to do is break the acrylic photo frame. We need to cover half of the wooden tray. I will trace a half circle on the acrylic piece. It will be easier to place the wooden tray on top of the acrylic piece, but I don't want the wooden tray to get marker on, so that is why I am doing it this way. Next, I will use this jigsaw tool to cut the acrylic piece and give it a good sanding around the edges. Now I will paint the tray black, but only the background, as you can see here. Here is the tray nice and dry. Next, I will attach the hanging loop. For this, I will drill a hole and use some E6000 glue and a screw, as the planter will have some weight to it. It is time to attach the metal ribbon around the tray. I will drill holes and place small screws to hold the ribbon in place. Next, I will peel off the film from the acrylic piece, and using E6000 glue, I will attach it to the wooden tray with clamps and let it dry for 24 hours. It is time to fill the planter with rocks and embellish it. I cleaned the planter well and washed the stones and glass to remove the dust, as I want the colors to pop. As you can see, this is the most fun part of the project, and the rest of the items are optional. All I'm going to do is fill the planter with glass and stone and insert faux succulents, and we should be done with this DIY. Our next DIY will be slightly different, but it will complement the first one. We will need a wooden tray, metal ribbon, faux leather, and a wooden ring, some green moss, and some succulents to decorate the planter. First, I will draw a circle, then apply a good coat of Mod Podge to the circle I just drew. Next, I will place some small white rocks and remove the excess. Then I will pour some white sand to fill the gaps and remove the excess again. The succulent I will be placing here is a little dark, so I want it to pop. This tray is nice and dry. To attach the hanging loop, I will drill a hole in the back, add some E6000 glue, and insert a screw for stability. The next step is to attach the green moss to the background. I will apply Mod Podge, add the moss, and let it dry. It is time to attach the metal ribbon. I will drill holes and attach small screws to hold the ribbon in place. Lastly, I will be gluing all the succulents using E6000 glue and we will be done. Here is the final reveal. In the comments below, let me know what you think of these two DIYs. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe so you don't miss any future DIYs like this. See you on the next one.